Have a look at these two words and tell me, are they pronounced the same or are they pronounced differently? Well, these two words are homophones. That means they have exactly the same pronunciation, even though the spelling and the meaning is different. So, first of all, we have sun, like the sun in the sky, hopefully where you are. And we have son, meaning a male child. My son's turning 12 today, for example. So son and son, they are pronounced exactly the same way. There's no difference. Now, because the spelling is different, your brain is kind of tricked. Our brain loves visual information and it finds auditory information through the ears a little bit harder to process sometimes. So your brain might be telling you, no, these words have to have different pronunciations or different sounds, but the reality is that they don't. And the way that you can be certain that son and son are pronounced the same way is by looking at the International Phonetic Script. And when you do, you'll see this little thing I've been waving in my hand here. This symbol is the one that represents the sound in English. And this is the vowel sound in sun, like sun in the sky. And it's also the vowel sound in son, a male child.